Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, USA Immigration and Visa. Today, I'll show you how to file Form I-130, Petition for Alien Relative, online using the official USCIS portal. Filing online is faster, more secure, and easier than mailing paper forms. Let's go step by step. What is Form I-130? It is a form used to ask the U.S. government to approve your family member, relative, for a green card, permanent residency. It is only the first step in bringing a relative to the U.S. Who can file Form I-130 online? You can file online if you are a U.S. citizen or green card holder, lawful permanent resident. You are sponsoring a family member for a green card. You cannot file online if you are applying for a special immigrant visa, e.g., Afghan or Iraqi interpreters. You are not the petitioner, only U.S. citizens and green card holders can file for relatives. Who can you petition for? U.S. citizens can file for spouse, husband or wife. Children, any age, married or unmarried. Parents, if you are 21 or older. Brothers and sisters, if you are 21 or older. Green card holders can file for spouse, husband or wife. Unmarried children. Green card holders cannot file for parents. Married children. Siblings. What documents do you need? Before starting, prepare these documents in digital format, PDF, JPEG, or PNG. 1. Proof of U.S. citizenship or green card. U.S. passport, birth certificate, naturalization certificate, or green card. 2. Proof of relationship. For spouse, marriage certificate, joint bank statements, wedding photos. For parents or siblings, birth certificates proving relationship. 3. Identification documents. Passport or other official IDs. 4. Other required evidence. If previously married, divorce decree. If applying for a spouse, proof of a real marriage, shared finances, photos, lease agreements, etc. Benefits of filing online. 1. Faster processing, USCIS receives your form instantly. 2. Track your case, you can check your status anytime. 3. Upload documents directly, no need to mail papers. 4. Avoid common mistakes, the system checks for errors before submission. Next steps after filing. 1. Submit Form I-130 online. 2. Pay the filing fee online, USCIS will show you the amount before payment. 3. Receive a receipt notice, Form I-797C, by email. 4. Check your case status anytime at www.uscis.gov. Visit the USCIS online portal. Go to www.my.uscis.gov. Click on File a Form Online and select Petition for Alien Relative, Form I-130. Part 1, Petitioner's Information, Your Information. Who is this section about? The person in the U.S. filing the petition. 1. Name, write your full legal name, first, middle, last. 2. Address, write your mailing address, where USCIS will send notices. 3. Place of birth, city, state, and country where you were born. 4. Date of birth, format, mm/dd/yyyy. 5. Citizenship or green card info. If you are a U.S. citizen, write how you got it, by birth, naturalization, or through parents. If you are a green card holder, write your alien registration number, A number. Part 2, Beneficiary's Information, the relative you are sponsoring. Who is this section about? The family member you are applying for. 1. Name, write their full legal name, first, middle, last. 2. Other names, if they have used any other names, maiden name, previous name, write them here. 3. Address, write their current home address, where they live. 4. Date of birth and place of birth, format, mm/dd/yyyy. 5. Marital status, check single, married, widowed, or divorced. Part 3. Beneficiaries entry information. Who is this section about? Your relative's past travel to the U.S. 1. Has the beneficiary ever been to the U.S.? If yes, write details, date, visa type, I-130 number. If no, leave it blank or write, not applicable. 2. Passport details. Passport number, issuing country, and expiration date. Part 4. Other information about the beneficiary. 1. Does the beneficiary have any children? If yes, write their full names and birth dates. Part 5. Petitioner's employment history. Who is this section about? Your work history, last 5 years. 1. Where do you work? Write company name, address, job title, and dates. If unemployed, write unemployed. Part 6. Additional information about the petition. 1. Have you filed Form I-130 before for another relative? If yes, write details of that case. 2. If filing for a spouse, husband/wife, provide proof of a real marriage. Photos together, joint bank accounts, lease agreements, etc. Part 7. Petitioner's contact information and declaration. 1. Your phone number and email. 2. Read and sign, do not forget to sign. If no signature, USCIS will reject the form. Part 9 and 10. Interpreter/attorney, if someone helped you fill the form. If you filled it yourself, leave this blank. If a lawyer helped, they must sign here. Final steps, submitting Form I-130. Step 1. Attach supporting documents. Copy of petitioner's U.S. passport, green card, or citizenship certificate. Copy of birth or marriage certificate, to prove relationship. Proof of real marriage, if applying for a spouse. Step 2. Check filing fee. Check the USCIS website for the latest fee. Step 3. Mail the form. Send it to the correct USCIS address, based on your location. Step 4. Track your case. After USCIS receives your form, you will get a receipt notice, Form I-797C, with a case number. You can track your case online at uscis.gov. What happens next? USCIS reviews your form, they may ask for more documents. Possible interview, if needed, the beneficiary may have to attend an interview. Approval or denial, if approved, the case moves to NVC, National Visa Center, for further processing. Tips to avoid rejection. Do not leave blank spaces, write, not applicable, if a question does not apply to you. Use black ink and write neatly. Sign the form, no signature equals automatic rejection. Send correct documents, check USCIS website for updates. Want more help? Subscribe to USA Immigration and Visa on YouTube for more guides on visas, immigration news, and tips.